Not again.
Oh, hey Dan, we gotta go shoot another video for COVID-19. Your audience demands it.
No, please, I need a break. I can't even keep it all straight anymore. There's so much information. I can barely keep my eyes open.
Too bad, buddy. We're shooting in 5 minutes, so get it together because this is happening.
Oh, this is too much. I can't take it anymore. I'm so tired. Maybe if I just take a little nap. Just for a minute. Coronavirus. Flatten the curve. Oh, hi there.
What the? I'm a cartoon now? Whoa, I like the white tie. Wait, maybe this is my chance to simplify things for people and sum it all up a bit. Oh, hi there. Want to keep yourself and others healthy during the pandemic? Then allow me to introduce the 5 Infection Prevention and Control, or IPAC, measures. The IPAC measures should be used together for optimal effectiveness in stopping the spread of COVID-19. Let's take a look at each one briefly. Screening. Screening checks whether a person has symptoms of COVID-19. Google Ontario's self-assessment tool and let your computer tell you what to do. Personal hygiene. Wash your hands using soap and water for at least 20 seconds. I like to sing Black Velvet by Alana Miles. I'm 40. Cough etiquette. Cough and sneeze into a tissue or your sleeve. Throw out them nasty tissues right away, then wash your hands. Environmental cleaning. Commonly touched surfaces are most likely to be contaminated. Germy. Clean and disinfect twice per day. Social distancing. Avoid close contact and maintain a distance of at least 2 meters. Keep those funky germs to yourself. There you go, the 5 IPAC measures. Using all 5 is the best way to slow the spread of coronavirus and flatten the curve of COVID-19. COVID-19. COVID-19.
Whoa, that was weird. I never had such an educational dream before. I wonder if I could inception people with that information. I can't. After all, it was just a dream.
Oh, hey, Dan.
Or was it?